Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get custom charging screen animations. So whenever you plug your iPhone in to your charger, it'll show this flip clock that I'm about to show you guys. It's really, really cool. One thing I'd like to point out before we get started, if you guys like videos like this showing you guys how to customize your iPhones or iOS devices, be sure to subscribe to this channel as I'll have lots of videos into the future, as I already have lots of videos showing you guys how to customize your iPhones. So if you guys are into that, be sure to subscribe. You could always change your mind later, as well as liking this video. If it helped you out, I would really, really appreciate it, as I'm on my road to 10,000 subscribers. Anyhow, to get started with this video, all you have to do is download the application that I'm using. So we're just going to go to the App Store, and the application that I'm using is called Zen Flip Clock. If you guys are having trouble finding this, you guys can just search for Flip Clock. If you're still having trouble, I will have a link in the description as well as in the comment section down below, so you guys can just click on it. Now, in the future of this video, if this exact app isn't available, you can use any flip clock to do this. So you guys can just scroll through here, use any flip clock, and then continue on to the part of the video where we're actually making the shortcut to work with the charging animation. Now, anyways, you just want to download the Zen Flip Clock. So I downloaded it already. Once you've downloaded it, you can just open it up and you'll be greeted with this screen right here, just showing you what the stock flip clock looks like. Now, to edit your flip clock, you just want to swipe up kind of from the middle of the bottom there, and then you'll be greeted with this screen right here. You'll have a couple of different options that you guys can change. If you go into general, you will have a couple different options such as language, theme, flip sound, and dividers and stuff like that. Now, whenever you see the T animation on this app, that is a paid feature. We won't be able to change that, unfortunately, unless you pay for it. But there is still a decent amount of customizations that are available for free. Now, if we go over to theme, you guys can choose between dark and panda. So I just chose on panda because that's the best free one. Unless you just want the dark one, totally up to you guys. You choose whatever you want here. And then you can go over to the flip sound, and you could either choose no flip sound or the tick. And then if you want to pay for the application, of course, you guys can switch between those ones as well. But I just put on the tick one for the tutorial. Once you're done making your animation, you guys can just exit out of here. And what we're going to do is we're going to exit out of here, and we're going to go over to shortcuts. Once we're in shortcuts here, we just want to go to automation at the bottom, and then we want to go to the top right and click on the plus icon, and then create personal automation. We then want to scroll down and find charger, click on charger, and then we want to be on the is connected. So we want the automation to go on when the cord is connected. So that is correct right there. So we're going to make sure that's check marked, and then we're going to click on next. And then under add action, we're going to click on add action, and then we're going to go to scripting, and then to open app. Once we're done in this, we want to click on choose, and then we want to click on the app that we downloaded. So whether you guys got the Zen Flip Clock like I did, or if you got a different one, you just want to click on the application that you guys want to use for your charging animation. So we're just going to go to Zen Flip Clock, and then we're going to click on next. Once we're in here, we just want to disable ask before running, because we don't want it to ask us if we want the automation to run when it's plugged in. We just want it to run right away. So we're just going to click on that to disable it, and don't ask. Once that is done, we click on done. And then all we have to do after this is just exit out of here and plug in our phone. And as you guys see, once the phone is plugged in, it is working great. It opens up this automation for us. And if we just plug it back in again, you guys will see it then opens up the automation for us. So really, really cool feature. I really hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.